It was at a company called Microflex. They were a software development company in Winston-Salem. It was. They did diagnostics for trucking companies. So I've been in this industry my entire career. Well, it was just me, actually, to start with. It took us 25 years to get to this point, but really, we started with one person, we added a couple more, then we added a couple more, then we started getting some products, and 25 years later, here we are, 150 plus people. The culture and the people. I think, I hope, and of course I see the culture from a different perspective, but I hope it's a good place for people to work. And I think the culture, it kind of being a family-owned, family environment, I think that's the thing I'm most proud of. Well, I think that autonomous vehicles and those technologies are here, they're real, they're going to change the way we look at things. Electrification is another thing that's really going to make a huge difference. Right now, we're 99% diesel engines in our vehicles, and in 5 years, that's probably going to be maybe 70% diesel and 30% electric. I think there's some other technologies such as hybrids, which are electric diesel combinations. Those things are really going to change our industry, and they're going to change Noregon's business because we're heavily invested in remote diagnostics. And today, if you look at what we do, it's in-shop diagnostics. And I think there's going to be a blending between in-shop diagnostics and remote diagnostics, and they're going to kind of come together from a product standpoint. And that's just going to change a lot of the things we do, both from a development standpoint as well as from a sales and marketing standpoint. Oh, I have all kinds of hobbies. I love to play golf. I like to work out, and I like to drive my race car. Once again, I think it's the people. I mean, we've got a fantastic staff of people, and I think our hiring practices have a lot to do with that. We want to hire great people, and I think that's the key.